Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is a 10 minutes makeup tutorial for every day, for work, school, or just whenever you are in a rush. So first thing I like to do, I start with my eyebrows, and I have a couple of detailed eyebrows tutorial that I will leave down in the description box, so do check them out if you are interested, or you are a beginner that is just starting out with makeup and you want to learn how to draw your eyebrows using a pencil. I'll leave them down in the description box. So a quick reminder guys, if you are not yet a subscriber on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, support my channel guys. Leave your comments, leave down your questions or your suggestions down in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. So moving on, I want to sculpt and define my eyebrows. If you are a beginner, this is very important because you use your concealer to clean out any mistakes you made, so you don't have to start all over. You just use your concealer to sculpt your eyebrows like I am doing right now. Every day I usually spend maybe a minute or less to draw and define my eyebrows. So question of the day, how long does it take you guys to draw and define your eyebrows? Let me know down below. Leave your answers. I want to know how long it takes you. Does it take you 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes to draw and sculpt your eyebrows? With this 10 minutes makeup tutorial for the eyes, it's going to be concealer, and then I'll set it with pressed powder because we want this to be as quick as possible so that we can get out of the door. So I'm just going to set that concealer using my contour powder or a bronzer, and then we are good to go. Too much with the eyes, just press the powder into the concealer and then you are good to go. So moving on from the eyes, I am going to apply a primer or a setting spray like I am doing. If you have a primer, you can go with your primer. If you are in the UK or the US, you can definitely try out the Makeup Revolution setting spray. I use that sometimes, and this is because I want my makeup to last all day. So doing that creates like a flawless base for my makeup. To conceal and highlight my face, I'll be using my Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I am just going to apply this under my eyes and blend it using my sponge, and I'm just going to lightly tap this, lightly tap this, and then also use whatever that is left on the beauty sponge to highlight my nose. So I'm not highlighting my forehead, my cupid's bow, or my chin. It's just under my eyes and my nose. So this is a very quick, natural, everyday makeup look that you can do, especially for beginners. So guys, if you know you are getting value from this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave down your comments and your suggestions and questions. Also share this video with your friends. It helps me a lot in my growth. on YouTube. And also the most important thing of all is to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button down below. It is free. Thank you. So now the next thing, I'll pick up my blush. This is the Glams blush in the shade Gypsy 320, and I am not applying any contour or bronzer or anything like that. I'm only using my blush, and then apply a little bit of highlighter on my nose, the inner corner of my eyes, and that's it. That is all I am applying for highlighter. That blush is my favorite blush, guys. I love the shade so much. It's so deep and rich. Now I am going to set my makeup one more time, and this also helps to reduce the powder on my face. Now to apply mascara on the top of my lashes. I do not have any lash, but this is an everyday makeup look, and I don't wear falsies every day, so this is it. So I apply my mascara bottom and top lashes. If you are in Nigeria, this is one of the popular gloss you can find in the market, and this is my favorite shade of them all. I love this shade so much because it goes well with your nude lipstick or just everyday nude gloss lips. And this is the finished look. 10 minutes everyday makeup tutorial. This is 10 minutes and it's beautiful, it's easy. Thank you for watching. Bye.